My wood. My sheep. Three of these are my sheep. I call dibs.
Today, are we actually gonna be the Ender Dragon?
Yes, speedrun. Think.
But you're a really slow speedrunner. We're gonna lie, I'm faster than you.
Good thing you didn't steal my key. Still recording. Okay. Doing that.
Gagi, go on an adventure and get some stone.
Kasi walang pasok lang.
Where's the cave that I found earlier? I forgot that it's from another world.
Ako lang isang green ang kulay ko.
Where are you at?
I left the other stone.
but where are you at?
Can
Oh,
never,
I see you.
can never have too much stone in Minecraft.
May tinat pa ba ako? Wala na?
Mas hindi, meron pa ako yung isa. Oo.
You can never have too much stone.
Kasi ilabas mo to.
Never dig down. Where's rule?
Nah, I'm good. Okay. I'm already off to find some iron.
Wait, oh.
I'm gonna kill some sheep to make beds for the egg.
Wait, I forgot.
There's nothing left.
I'll eat a snacky snack.
They're called Shine Muscat grapes. They're
Useless, flappy. Baby sheep. Thank you for wheat. I'm not seed.
It's just a baby. Oh my god.
And then he gave me seed.
Oh.
You know why?
Yeah.
Because he ate.
Trying to make a video.
Mamaya.
We wanna be famous. We wanna be famous. We wanna be famous like Tash and Nico.
Baka ubusin mo naman lahat. Wow. Galing.
Ano?
Pabili ako kay mami nun eh. Just wait here, I'm getting grapes.
I left.
Hmm?
I left. Rob, we should definitely split up and meet at the end portal. So see you later.
See you later too.
Tanjiro Kamado first met the Hashira, someone said to him, "When you get to sleep all day, wake the hell up, will you?" That was me. Fate has a way of bringing us together. I found him and his friends 2 months ago in the entertainment district.
I want more.
Ano yung pinaglalagay yung mga plastic sa hapon-hapon?
Nilagay ni Matthew sa parang blue drawer.
Drawer.
Doon sa lalagyan ng plato sa baba.
I need food. Cow. No. I failed.
I found a huge pig.
Classic former character.
And then I killed your wife. Stewie.
There are fish right here. Let's go swim with
The
them.
sun is
More fish
setting.
than last time I was here, guys, and look at these
Yeah,
blue ones.
let's
They're
go
so
down
pretty.
and
This is your
get-
first time seeing my videos.
I have a
Welcome.
bed.
This is a natural pool that my parents built in Redlands. It's August in South Florida, so it felt so good to play in the pool. I made a point to get in the water first, so I'm going to show you guys how clear it is so you don't disturb the sediment in the bottom. Here's a point of view of what it looks like when you're swimming at the opposite end of the pool. It's so clear. I had a lot of comments saying this is only something rich people would have. I'm going to be honest with you guys, it was only a tenth of the price of putting an actual benefit to the environment by creating an entire ecosystem and not using any chemicals. The koi fish love to hang out in the cave, and I thought it was the white. In the last video, I couldn't find the orange one anywhere, but here's the orange one, and we have another white one now. Please give me more name suggestions. I love hearing them, and now that there's 3 of them, we can pick out trio names. In addition to the bluefish, there's also these like freshwater shark type fish. The part about this pool is that it's only going to get better with time as the ecosystem develops more. Follow along for more natural pool updates and fish updates. Classic.
My partner and I moved her 83-year-old mom in with us, and cooking became a lot more complicated because she needs soft and low-sodium meals. I didn't want her to feel left out by something
More cows to kill.
so I make her a soft and low-sodium version so she can feel like she's part of the hub. For example, when I made these peanut noodles for the family, they were a little too textured, a little too spicy, and a little too salty. So I made her a version with super soft vegetables, peanut powder instead of peanuts, no chili oil, and lower sodium. When I made crab cake balls, air-fried veggies, and couscous for the family, I made her a version with soft steamed vegetables instead of air-fried crab
I
cakes.
eat
And I
that.
added a low-sodium broth so it was easier for her to chew. When I made air-fried salmon bites with miso, cabbage, and rice for the family, I gave her a version with a lot more rice, low-sodium
Kuya,
broth,
me
and
only
salted
kill
vegetables instead
big
of
fat
crunchy cabbage.
cows.
When my partner and I moved her
Bowie, your performance is best has been accepted. I'd like to promote you to my ride or die. I'd be honored. As my ride or die, you'll be expected to stalk every guy I show even a modicum of interest in. You'll also have no time off and expected to diagnose my weird notice. You're gonna have to just what's the boy? Key to my apartment and my mom's phone number.
wild manatees a lot, and everyone always asks why you can't touch them since they're so friendly, so I'm going to share with you the major reasons behind that rule. So first is that it's actually illegal in the state of Florida to touch or harass manatees, and you could face a pretty big
Yeah,
fine if you
boots
get
now.
caught. Since they're so friendly, they'd probably love to be pet, but if we were to do